Good afternoon. Today we are going to explore watercolors and using different lines. I can watercolor using a variety of lines.
Really? I know some lines, but definitely not all of them.
Well, take a look at this guide. We got broken lines, wavy lines, vertical, thick, thin, dotted, zigzag, diagonal, long, short, curved, spiral line even. So, we have two pieces of paper. We're only going to start with this one and use that other one later. I have a paper towel, a variety of paint brushes. These aren't all meant for watercolor, but I want to experiment with different sizes so that you can see the variety of lines that you can make with different types of paint brushes. So I'm going to start with a wash, meaning I just put water down first. And this is going to make my paint lighter, a light color. And I'm going to go ahead with a zigzag line. Now, I'm fast forwarding this video so that it's really fast for you to see. But in real time, I'm taking my time and I'm going very slow. Taking my time, doing my best, experimenting with different types of lines and paint brushes. Maybe I can add some horizontal lines there. Got a wavy line. What lines do you see? What lines are you planning to create? Now on this first piece, I'm just using one color and trying to put all my attention on the lines and the different types of paint brushes that I can use. Now I've experimented with lines and I'm ready to think about using color and using lines in a different way. I'm going to prepare these watercolors by adding water to each one, using a different paintbrush for each one so that I don't mix the colors. Clean my brushes up and prepare to really take my time. Take a deep breath and think about the emotions that I have, the emotions that I feel, and how can I express that in my painting? Sometimes I feel surprised. And these green lines represent surprise. Other times I feel proud of my accomplishments. Sometimes I run into a hard day or a hard task, a hard problem, but I just get through it. It takes courage to get through those hard days. So I'm proud when I overcome problems. I'm excited when I can hang out with my family or my friends, people I love. And these blue dots represent those occasional times that I get sad and down. They happen to everybody. Everybody feels sad sometimes. Comes and it goes. But we can know that gradually we'll be feeling better. Now I'm going to write my name. Oh, wait. Yep. All right. One more color to use. And now this represents me being content. Content is feeling at peace, being happy. So I used a variety of lines.
And a variety of colors.
I can watercolor using a variety of lines.